Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix if the case of your AirPods is not charging your AirPods and the light is not turning on and off while you put your AirPods on charging. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you are unable to charge your AirPods, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem and charge your AirPods. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that simply make it sure that the cable which you use to charge your AirPods is working properly. So guys, check your cable and after this check your adapter if it is charging your AirPods or not. So guys, change the adapter and check if the problem is with your cable or your adapter. So guys, after this go for the next solution, that is you will have to simply reset your AirPods for one time to fix this problem. So I simply open up your case and long press this button behind your case for 30 seconds to reset your AirPods. So I simply press this button for 30 seconds and check if the case is charging now or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then you will have to go to any mechanic to check whether the problem is with your case or with your AirPods. So guys, contact any mechanic if you are still facing this problem and you are unable to charge your AirPods. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to charge your AirPods with your AirPod case. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.